she's also a really wonderful person, and she's also very efficient at her job and at the lodge. So, without further ado, Jocelyn Warner. And I'll have her talk a little bit about what she does when she's not working at the lodge, right?
So, yeah.
And then a little bit about your art, and then
Okay.
we'll go up for questions after that.
Okay, sure. So let's see. So I've worked in a variety of art media, consistently, mostly consistently the last 15 years in silk painting and ceramics. So that's what I chose today. So I have the silk scarves that I do, and also some of the ceramics. So so I like to do. I have a couple of things here, like little collage type things where I put together just different symbolic things. I think I'm most influenced by folk art, so Mexican folk art, the Native American culture, and religious and spiritual artwork. I also make clocks, so I just had the Portal show a couple months ago for 8 weeks, and that went really well. And that was all about clocks. It was part of the inner workings of the unit. And these I do in different types of clay. I have some raku. These are all raku pieces here. And then this is a dark chocolate clay that I like. So, and I brought a nightlight as well. The raku is something fairly recent that I've only started working on, even though I've had a passion for ceramics and I fell in love with raku about 20 years ago. I've just been able to have a little more time to work on that. So this piece has a unique color here, and that is from a chemical reaction where I use ferric chloride, and you spray it on the hot piece of ceramics once it comes out of the raku kiln. So, and it's kind of it's nasty stuff, and you need to wear a respirator and protective equipment. So I don't like to use that very much because it's not very nice to work with. But you get some really interesting orange effects. And this one is more of your traditional Western style raku, where you have the black matte and the shiny glaze. And this piece is also raku, and this has, it's one glaze, but as you can see, there are many different colors that are displayed after the firing. So it's kind of, there's not a real science to it, kind of.
You never know what you're going to get with that one, Jocelyn?
Yeah, you never know what you're going to get. You don't really have a whole lot of control over it. So, but that's kind of the fun in it also. So this one is raku as well. And this one I used, this is a Hawaiian blue and a copper. And so looks like more of the copper came out. But that was fun. And then this is the chocolate. And so this is a real, once it's fired, the final firing, you have to fire it twice, you get the really dark color. So that's a lot of fun too. And this was just bisque, and then I airbrushed it with acrylic paint.
So where do you get your chocolate?
You can get it at the chocolate clay.
Clay, yeah.
You can get it at New Mexico Clay, and it's actually their specialty clay, so you really can't find it anywhere else.
I see.
And raku you can do in a few different stoneware clays, but I use the B-mix for that. This one is chocolate as well, actually, and this is acrylic, so this wasn't glazed.
Do you have your own kiln?
I don't. I'm a member of the Florlage Art Center Clay Club, and so it's a cooperative, and so I get to use their clay and their kiln and their studio. So it's really convenient.
And how long would a particular piece take to fire, and how many times do you fire a piece?
So the bisque firing, I believe is about 10 to 12 hours. And then the raku, you bisque fire it once and then you put it in the raku kiln, and that takes about anywhere from an hour and a half for the first firing to maybe 30 minutes on the repeating firings.
Bisque is the first fire.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And what does that mean, bisque?
It's the first firing that makes the clay more stable so that you can apply the glaze.
Are these electric kilns or gas-fired kilns?
The bisque is electric and the raku is propane gas.
Uh-huh.
So you use a different kiln
Yeah,
for the
you have to
raku.
use a different kiln for the raku. It's a low firing process.
You mean a
So
low
it's
temperature fire?
Mhm. It's an oxygen reduction process where you put the piece in a chamber, close the lid, and it pulls the oxygen out of the glaze, where you get the luster color, and also where there is no glaze, it leaves the carbon behind.
Yes, you have to be a chemist as well as an
A
artist.
little bit, not
Experimentalist.
a little bit.
So Jocelyn, does raku refer strictly to that process, or does it refer to a style? So,
I
like with the
think
pop in the middle.
I think it's
Japanese, isn't it?
more of a kind of a philosophical term now. I mean, originally, it originated in Japan about the 16th century, and it actually, they didn't use the luster colors at all. That came later in the Western style of raku. So now the term raku is kind of encompasses